In this video, I'm going to show you how to change passcode on iPhone 17. So if you want to change your passcode on iPhone 17, this video will walk you through the exact steps. So first, unlock your iPhone and go to your home screen. From there, open the Settings app. Now, once you're inside Settings, scroll down until you find the option called Face ID and Passcode. Tap on it. So enter your passcode. Now, if your iPhone uses Touch ID, it may show as Touch ID and Passcode. So tap on it to continue. Now, after entering your passcode, scroll down a little until you find the option labeled Change Passcode. So tap on it. Now your iPhone will ask you to enter your current passcode again. So this just to confirm that you're authorized to make changes. And once that's done, you'll be prompted to enter your new passcode. But before typing your new passcode, you can also tap on passcode options. So if you want to choose a different format, for example, you can switch to a 4-digit numeric code, or you can select 6-digit numeric code, or even custom numeric code for stronger security. So choose one and now enter your new passcode. So after that, you'll need to enter the new passcode to confirm it. Now, once both entries match, your iPhone will update your passcode automatically. And after the process is complete, your new passcode will be active and used to unlock your device. So if you want to make sure it works, you can lock your iPhone and try unlocking it using your new passcode. And that's it. That's how you can change your passcode on iPhone 17. And that's it. Thanks for watching.